Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Ridgeguard skin peel chutney. So it is very helpful for health purpose. It increases the immunity and it is very good for the skin glow and a natural detoxifier. So it purifies the blood and overall health benefit is very good. The whole plant is used for medicine purpose. So let me show you how to prepare this Ridgeguard peel chutney. I'll show you the ingredients first, then we will start how to prepare the chutney. I have taken one bowl of Ridgeguard skin peel, and along with that you need one bowl of grated coconut, jeera, tamarind, green chili, salt to taste, and jaggery. To begin this Ridgeguard skin peel chutney, first we need to take a pan and put some oil, and we need to roast the skin until it gets shrink. Let me show you. So you can see the Ridgeguard skin peel. Until it gets shrink, you just continue this process. Once it is over, once it loses its shape, it gets shrink, then we can add the other ingredients: coconut, jeera, tamarind, green chili and all. So today I had prepared Ridgeguard curry. So I took this peel off. I planned for making chutney. Usually people will throw it away, but it is very good for health. So I kept it aside. Now I am preparing chutney. Yes, now you can see it is roasted properly now. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. Let us add coconut, green chili, tamarind, jeera. Mix it well and then just wait for the coconut aroma. Once it is roasted properly, you will get aroma from the coconut. Then turn off and let it cool. I think it is done now. Now turn off the heat and just wait for a few minutes. Let it cool. Now it is cooled, and now I am going to transfer everything into the jar. Add salt to taste. You can put jaggery. I am using jaggery instead of sugar as it is good for health. It is a I have transferred everything to the jar. Now I am going to grind it to the smooth paste, and if needed you can add a little bit of water. Just check the consistency and add the water accordingly. Adding some water now. Grind it to the smooth paste. Now the smooth paste is ready. All the ingredients I have grinded and the paste is ready. And in between, while grinding, if you want to add some more water according to the consistency, you can add the water, and you can check the taste and you can add the spices if you want to add it according to your taste, salt and all those things. Now I'm going to transfer this smooth paste to a bowl. Once you transfer the chutney to a bowl, next you can take the same pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil. For tempering, you can add mustard seeds and jeera. Add some red chilies. Mix it well. Now add curry leaves. Preparing this for seasoning. Add curry leaves and mix it well. Turn off the heat. Now you can add this to our chutney. Yes, now our chutney is ready. It can be used along with the chapati, dosa, and also with the main course. You can use it as a side dish. It's very tasty and healthy also. It builds immune system. It is good for the skin and also for the diabetics and acidity. So it cures all those problems. So I think you all will like this recipe and try it out. Thank you.